In today's digitally dominated world, preserving optimal eye health emerges as a critical necessity. Our eyes serve as not only the portals to our souls, but also as our primary means of perceiving and interacting with the world. However, prolonged screen exposure, environmental pollutants, and unhealthy lifestyles pose significant threats to our vision. In response to these challenges, the medicinal properties of herbs have garnered increasing interest for their potential to safeguard and even enhance eye health. Number 1. Bilberry. Bilberry shines for its exceptional health benefits, thanks to anthocyanins, potent antioxidants that protect ocular tissues by neutralizing free radicals. This vibrant berry enhances blood flow to the eyes, ensuring the delivery of vital nutrients and oxygen to maintain eye health. Research indicates that bilberry could enhance night vision, boost visual acuity, and potentially lower the risk of age-related macular degeneration (AMD) and other vision-related issues. Number 2. Ginkgo biloba. Ginkgo biloba, rooted in traditional Chinese medicine, emerges as a botanical powerhouse. Abundant in flavonoids and terpenoids, its extract enhances blood circulation, vital for nourishing the delicate blood vessels in the eyes. By promoting vasodilation and preventing platelet aggregation, it assists in addressing conditions associated with impaired blood flow, including glaucoma. Furthermore, its antioxidative properties provide protection against oxidative stress, offering potential benefits for overall eye health, including conditions like normal tension glaucoma. Number 3. Saffron. Saffron, known for its crimson threads, has been a staple in various traditional medicine systems like Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine, addressing a wide range of health concerns, including those related to the eyes. Its antioxidant properties stem from its carotenoid content, particularly crocin, potent pigments with robust antioxidant capabilities. In the realm of eye health, these carotenoids play a pivotal role in neutralizing free radicals, which can harm ocular tissues. Oxidative stress and inflammation are common denominators in various eye conditions. Saffron, with its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, may offer protection against these underlying factors. Research has explored saffron's potential in conditions such as age-related macular degeneration (AMD) and retinal degeneration, suggesting positive influences on retinal health. Moreover, saffron's anti-inflammatory properties extend to conditions like uveitis, where inflammation of the eye's middle layer can lead to discomfort and vision impairment. By modulating inflammatory pathways, saffron may contribute to managing uveitis and related inflammatory eye disorders. Scientific inquiry into saffron's effects on vision continues, with research shedding light on its potential benefits. Some studies indicate that saffron supplementation may improve visual acuity and sensitivity to light, particularly in individuals with early-stage age-related macular degeneration. In summary, saffron's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties hold promise for supporting eye health, offering potential benefits in managing various eye conditions and enhancing visual function. Number 4. Turmeric. Turmeric, renowned for its therapeutic qualities, owes much of its efficacy to curcumin, a bioactive compound with a plethora of health benefits. While turmeric has enjoyed a long-standing presence in traditional medicine, modern scientific research has elucidated curcumin's potential in addressing inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which are implicated in various eye conditions. Notably, curcumin's anti-inflammatory effects hold significance in the context of eye health. Chronic inflammation contributes to several eye disorders, including uveitis and diabetic retinopathy. By modulating inflammatory pathways, curcumin may attenuate the impact of inflammation on ocular tissues, thus supporting overall eye health. Its anti-inflammatory prowess also extends to conditions such as dry eye syndrome, where inflammation of the ocular surface leads to discomfort and compromised vision. Studies have explored the efficacy of curcumin supplements in managing dry eyes, showing promise in reducing inflammation and ameliorating symptoms. Moreover, aging processes can trigger changes in the eyes, with conditions like age-related macular degeneration (AMD) posing significant threats to vision. Here, curcumin's antioxidant properties play a crucial role. By neutralizing free radicals, curcumin helps safeguard retinal cells, supporting overall retinal health and potentially mitigating the risk of AMD. In summary, turmeric's bioactive compound, curcumin, emerges as a potent ally in promoting eye health. Its ability to address inflammation and oxidative stress offers potential benefits in managing various eye conditions, from uveitis to dry eye syndrome, while also providing protection against age-related degeneration such as AMD. Continued research into curcumin's therapeutic properties underscores its potential as a natural remedy for maintaining optimal eye health. Number 5. Rosemary. Rosemary boasts a rich array of bioactive compounds, with its essential oil serving as a concentrated source of antioxidants. Key antioxidants like rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid found in rosemary play a crucial role in neutralizing free radicals, thereby protecting ocular tissues from oxidative stress, a common contributor to age-related eye conditions. Additionally, rosemary's anti-inflammatory properties make it a valuable herb for maintaining ocular well-being, with rosmarinic acid showing potential in modulating inflammatory pathways associated with ocular inflammation. Beyond its anti-inflammatory and antioxidative attributes, rosemary's influence on blood circulation positively impacts eye health by ensuring adequate nutrient and oxygen delivery, vital for promoting overall ocular vitality. Moreover, rosemary's aromatic compounds are believed to possess cognitive-enhancing effects, indirectly contributing to eye health by supporting cognitive function. This could aid in maintaining focus and concentration, thus reducing eye strain associated with prolonged visual tasks. In summary, rosemary emerges as a multifaceted herb with potential benefits for eye health. Its antioxidative, anti-inflammatory, and circulatory effects, coupled with cognitive-enhancing properties, underscore its role in promoting ocular well-being and reducing the burden of eye strain associated with extended periods of visual activity. Number 6. Dandelion. Dandelion, rich in vital nutrients, especially vitamin A, supports ocular health by aiding low-light and color vision, essential for preventing night blindness and other vision-related issues. Additionally, its abundance in vitamin C and E fortifies the antioxidant defense system, shielding ocular tissues from oxidative stress. Moreover, dandelion contains lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants crucial for retina health, potentially reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Incorporating dandelion into the diet provides a natural source of these compounds, aiding in eye health. Furthermore, its traditional use underscores its detoxifying properties, supporting overall well-being by eliminating toxins and reducing strain on the eyes. However, moderation is key, as excessive use may disrupt electrolyte balance. Balancing dandelion consumption can effectively harness its benefits, promoting clearer vision and healthier eyes. Number 7. Fennel seeds. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, bolster eye health by neutralizing free radicals and bolstering antioxidant defenses. Their combination of vitamin A and antioxidants shields against oxidative stress implicated in AMD and other vision-related disorders. By incorporating antioxidant-rich herbs like fennel into the diet, individuals can fortify their ocular defenses against age-related degeneration. While herbs offer promising natural remedies for eye health, maintaining a balanced lifestyle remains paramount. Proper nutrition, regular exercise, adequate rest, and routine eye checkups are integral components of preserving optimal eye health. Additionally, practicing good eye hygiene, such as screen breaks, UV protection, and avoiding smoking, further supports long-term vision. It is crucial for individuals to consult healthcare professionals before integrating herbal supplements, ensuring safety and appropriateness for individual needs. In conclusion, amidst the digital age's onslaught, prioritizing eye health through the therapeutic properties of herbs emerges as a compelling avenue for natural eye care. By harnessing the antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and circulatory benefits of botanicals like bilberry, ginkgo biloba, saffron, turmeric, rosemary, dandelion, and fennel, individuals can safeguard their vision and promote ocular well-being. However, holistic eye care encompasses a multifaceted approach, encompassing lifestyle modifications and professional guidance to ensure sustained ocular health and clarity of vision. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.